Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Stephanie. So today, you guys, this should be a fairly quick video. I have my March Heaven Panty subscription that has arrived. There it is. So for 10 bucks, you can get sent a pair of panties every month. Not a bad deal. That's what this is. Yeah, let's get into it. I like that it is very recyclable packaging. You know, it's paper, which is nice. Less plastic that we deal with, the better. So let's go ahead, pull it out. So I get 2 panty subscriptions every month. I am getting Splendies and I am getting Heaven Panty. Now at Splendies, I get 3 panties a month for $15. This is 10 bucks shipped. All right, let's see what we got. Okay, so this is purposely recyclable, reusable. Like if you don't like it, you know, you can ship back in this. So this one is, I believe, plastic. All right, what do we got here? They're pretty blue. So this is how they come. They're on a card. And of course, you can see it says Heaven Panty on it right there. All right, let's go ahead and take these off. Oh my gosh, y'all. How adorable. Now it does say MSRP is $15, but you guys, look at how cute this is. Little bow with a little bit of a embellishment of jewelry. That is really cute. All right, so here is what it says. There's some information on it. It says, make every panty count. Returns, if you're not 100% satisfied with your Heaven Panty, you can initiate your return online. Sizing instructions also available online. If you want to change the preferences or change your subscription, you do it online. They give you that address as well, or URL. And then the care information on there is also available online. So you can give $20 and get $20 in store credit if you refer a friend that subscribes. I, of course, do have my link to Heaven Panty down below. So basically, you get 20 bucks, I get 20 bucks. It's $5 in-store credit you can earn if you leave a review on Facebook. You get $5 in their store credit if you share a photo of Heaven Panties and you tag them on either Instagram or Facebook. And then if you review your monthly style, you do get $2 in store credit as well. So very cool. All right, let's take a look. These look pretty. That super cute. How cute is that? All right, here is what they look like. I like the look of these. They're very pretty. I like the dark navy blue. I've said it before, I do prefer a dark panty. I wear like dark, usually just black slacks to work. So these are super cute. There's the front. There's the back. Definitely some lace, but you do get a little coverage on both the front and the back. So quick look at the stitching. Let's turn it over and look inside. There is another little tag on the inside. It says the shell is 84% nylon, 16% spandex. The lining is cotton, which we'll get to that in a minute. So far, stitching looks good. Nothing looks completely crazy. Lace is very pretty. All right, does have the cotton at the crotch, the cotton liner, which is, of course, what you want. All right, I like it, you guys. I like that it has the front tummy tuck pocket on there, kind of little tummy control. I think the lace is very, very cute. Good stretch to the band on it. It feels like that should hold for a while. So what do you think for 10 bucks? This is going to be more expensive than Splendies. What do you think, you guys? There's the back again. There's the front. Very, very, very cute. So let me know. I did just do my Splendies video for March recently. I will link that down below. I do have a playlist going for all my unbaggings of all the panties I have gotten over the last several months since I've started subscribing to these 2 subscriptions. So if you want to see a couple months for both Heaven Panty and Splendies, check out that playlist. You can watch several months of unbaggings of both of them. So dollar for dollar, you're going to get more panties for a slightly higher price. You're going to spend $15. You're going to get 3 pair. Here, you spend 10 bucks, you're going to get 1 pair. I do think these are really nice quality. I've been very happy, honestly, with both subscriptions. This March box or bag of Splendies, some of the panties were like practically 100% lace, which I prefer some coverage, exactly like these are. So, you know, is what it is, right? So you go in, set up your profile, kind of, you know, pick your sizing and all that, let them know what you're interested in, and it goes from there. So let me know what you guys think. I really appreciate your time. Pardon my apologies, you guys, how I look. I have been out. I basically got home from work, went out, got horses fed, and then actually had a friend come over and she helped me in the woods. We cleared out a whole bunch of trees, cut some more stuff down. Really helped. We got a ton of stuff done. It really does help when you get a little bit extra help. So the next couple days are supposed to be really bad weather here in Wisconsin. So that's why you guys haven't seen a video since Mask Monday, ladies. Basically because I have not had any time. I basically have been either at work or outside feeding the horses and then in the woods. So next couple days are going to be gross, but that is what it is in spring. So have a great day, you guys. I will see you on my next video. Bye, everybody.